Today, the focus of my presentation is learners' characteristics, adolescent and adult learners with reference to their academic, social, emotional and cognitive aspects. Dear viewer, please watch the entire video. At the end of the video, there are MCQs based on the presentation. Dear viewers, let us try to understand the learners' characteristics. Understanding the characteristics of learners, particularly adolescents and adults, is essential for educators and instructional designers. These learners possess distinct traits in various domains that significantly influence their educational experiences and outcomes. Firstly, let us understand academic characteristics. 1. Diverse interests. Adolescent and adult learners have a wide range of academic interests. These interests can be influenced by personal passions, career aspirations, or academic requirements. Educators need to recognize and cater to this diversity to engage learners effectively. 2. Prior knowledge and experience. Learners in these age groups bring varying levels of prior knowledge and experiences to the learning environment. This prior knowledge can serve as a foundation for new learning. However, it can also lead to misconceptions that educators must address. 3. Critical thinking skills. Adolescents and adults develop critical thinking skills, enabling them to analyze information, assess arguments, and form independent opinions. This cognitive development enhances their ability to engage with complex subject matter critically. 4. Self-directed learning. With increasing age, learners tend to take on more responsibility for their own learning. They become more self-directed, seeking out resources and engaging actively in the learning process. This autonomy allows them to tailor their learning experiences to their individual needs and preferences. Social characteristics of learners. 1. Peer influence. Adolescents are often strongly influenced by their peers. Peer relationships and group dynamics can significantly impact attitudes toward learning, behavior, and even academic performance. Educators should be aware of these social influences and create supportive peer environments. 2. Identity formation. Adolescents are in a critical phase of identity formation. Their self-concept and self-esteem are influenced by their social interactions and experiences. Teachers and mentors can play a role in shaping their self-perceptions and confidence. 3. Adult roles. Adult learners often juggle multiple roles, such as work, family, and education. These additional responsibilities can affect their availability for learning, motivation, and the strategies they use to balance their various roles. Emotional characteristics of learners. 1. Emotional sensitivity. Adolescents experience a wide range of emotions, often intensely. Emotional states can impact their engagement in learning, motivation, and behavior. Educators should be attuned to emotional well-being and provide appropriate support. 2. Self-esteem. Positive self-esteem is crucial for both adolescent and adult learners. Learners with high self-esteem tend to be more confident and willing to participate actively in learning activities. Encouraging a positive self-concept can enhance motivation and overall academic performance. 3. Stress management. Adolescents and adults encounter various stressors in their lives, including academic pressures, work-related stress, and personal challenges. Effective stress management skills are essential for coping with these pressures and maintaining well-being. Cognitive characteristics of learners. 1. Abstract thinking. Adolescents and adults develop the ability for abstract thinking. This cognitive skill allows them to grasp complex concepts and ideas that go beyond concrete, tangible experiences. Educators can leverage this capacity for deeper understanding and problem solving. 2. Metacognition. Metacognition refers to the ability to monitor and regulate one's own thinking and learning processes. Adolescents and adults increasingly develop metacognitive abilities, enabling them to plan, set goals, evaluate progress, and make adjustments in their learning strategies. Encouraging metacognition can lead to more effective learning. 3. Problem-solving skills. As cognitive development continues, adolescents and adults demonstrate improved problem-solving skills. They can tackle complex tasks and challenges by breaking them down into manageable components, analyzing alternatives, and generating creative solutions. Dear viewer, let us solve some important multiple-choice questions from the presentation. Question 1 is, what is a characteristic of adolescent and adult learners' academic development? A. Limited prior knowledge. B. Homogeneous interests C. Diverse interests D. Limited critical thinking skills. Correct answer is C. Diverse interests. Question 2 is, how do prior experiences impact adolescent and adult learners? A. They have no impact on learning. B. They uniformly enhance readiness for new information. C. They vary and can influence readiness to learn. D. They diminish critical thinking abilities. Correct answer is C. They vary and can influence readiness to learn. Question 3 is, what role do peers play in the lives of adolescents? A. No role. Peers have no influence. B. Negative role. Peers hinder academic progress. C. Positive role. Peers can influence attitudes and behavior. D. Isolated role. Peers don't interact with adolescents. Correct answer is C. Positive role. Peers can influence attitudes and behavior. Question 4 is, what is an emotional characteristic relevant to both adolescents and adult learners? A. Emotional insensitivity. B. Low self-esteem. C. Effective stress management. D. Limited emotional range. Correct answer is C. Effective stress management. Question 5 is, what cognitive ability allows adolescents and adults to monitor and regulate their own learning? A. Concrete thinking. B. Abstract thinking. C. Metacognition. D. Memorization. Correct answer is C. Metacognition. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education, at Shouking Bilal.